स्टैंडर्ड 7 सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस चैप्टर 3 है गवर्नमेंट। इसका अभी क्वेश्चन 8 लेंगे। अरेंज और डिस्कशन वाई मस्ट वन ओबे सो मैनी रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस। आंसर आएगा बाय ओबेइंग रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस peace, security and order are maintained in society and the rights of citizens are protected. The atmosphere of justice in society can be instilled or established only by obeying laws. By obeying laws, prevalence of chaos in society can be prevented and peace can be brought about. This is how the nation progresses. According to the Constitution, it becomes an inevitable duty of every citizen to follow rules and regulations framed by the government. Therefore, we should follow so many rules and regulations. Question 9. What are organs of the government? Why are they necessary? आंसर आएगा देयर आर 3 ऑर्गन्स। कितने ऑर्गन्स है? 3 ऑफ गवर्नमेंट: लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली, एग्जीक्यूटिव काउंसिल एंड जुडिशरी। द मशीनरी बाय विच स्टेट ऑपरेट्स इज कॉल्ड गवर्नमेंट. Government has to carry out different functions. Government frames laws, gets them executed, and by interpreting laws imparts justice. The function of framing of laws is done by legislative assembly. Getting these laws executed is done by executive council, and the function of imparting justice is carried out by judiciary. If the government does not have all these 3 parts, the government cannot function successfully or it may have difficulty in administration. Question 10. What would happen if there was no judiciary? Answer आएगा judiciary punishes or penalizes the lawbreakers after carrying out proper investigation. Judiciary also carries out the responsibility of protecting law and order. If a citizen feels that he has been offended by another citizen, by legislative assembly or by executive council, he can resort to judiciary to seek justice. If there is no judiciary, all these things would not be possible and there would not be protection of people's life, properties and also of their rights. Next question है why it is necessary to have a government. Every nation needs a government to take different decisions, to carry out different jobs and of people, where to construct schools and roads, whether to raise prices of commodities or to decrease the prices. Where to construct and school roads, whether the rise prices of commodities or to decrease the prices, how to render electricity services, etc. Decisions are taken by government. In every country, framing laws according to constitution, getting them executed and to make amendments in them is done by government. Next question: what are the functions of the government? What are the functions of the government? What are the functions of the government? Answer आएगा government frames laws, gets them executed and makes amendments in them as and when needed. Number 2, government does many works of public welfare. Number 3, government tries to solve economic and social problems of people. Number 4, government cares for the economic condition of nation, poverty among people, unemployment and for education and health of people and plans solutions for them. Number 5, distribution of food materials, rationing shops, running educational institutes and hospitals, providing help at the time of disasters, arranging judiciary, courts, setting transport facilities, rendering services like post, railway and many other functions are carried out by government. Government keeps on toes to maintain peace in the country, to maintain law and order, and to see that the nation progresses. Next, number three, what will you do if laws are not properly implemented and injustice is done to you? Answer आएगा government frames laws. Every citizen of nation has to obey them, as the government has authority to frame laws. It also possesses the authority to keep them implemented. For that, government takes legal actions. If I feel that laws are not implemented properly, I can raise my voice for my issue and approach judiciary court. A court of justice can also ask the government to take actions in this regard. Next question है what is it not possible to administer the whole of India from one place? Answer आएगा the sole responsibility of government is to render facilities in different fields. This planning or facility is to be done by the government. India is a very large country. There are many states in it. Every state has many districts. Every district has taluka, and every taluka has villages. Thus, there are innumerable villages in India. Now, if the administration is carried out from just one level or from just one place, there would be many troubles and problems. Citizens would have inconvenience on their part. Therefore, it is not possible to manage the entire country from just one place. Therefore, our government works on different levels. Next day, manage the following. Number one, Gram Panchayat. Number two, Taluka Panchayat. Number three, District Panchayat. Number state government. Number four, central government. अभी बी के ऑप्शन है appointment teachers in primary school. We provide street lights in villages. Start new trains between two cities. Deconstruct road between two villages. Contributes to the local self government institutes. अभी इसमें आंसर आएगा वन का आएगा बी. ग्राम पंचायत क्या आएगा बी. प्रोवाइड स्ट्रीट लाइट्स इन विलेजेस. नंबर टू तालुका पंचायत का आएगा डी. कंस्ट्रक्ट रोड बिटवीन टू विलेजेस. नंबर थ्री डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत ए आएगा. अपॉइंट टीचर्स इन प्राइमरी स्कूल. नंबर फोर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ई आएगा. कंट्रीब्यूट्स टू द लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशंस. नंबर फाइव सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का आएगा सी. स्टार्ट्स न्यू ट्रेन्स बिटवीन टू सिटीज. अभी नेक्स्ट है आपका गिव रीज़न जो करवा देती हूँ. नंबर वन जुडिशरी इज केप्ट इंडिपेंडेंट. आंसर आएगा इज जुडिशरी एंड लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली आर द सेम. द इंटरप्रेटर could influence the lawmakers to be partial. In this case, the real democratic values cannot be retained. Judiciary takes care to be on the side of truth and to impart due to justice without being influenced. For this reason, judiciary is kept independent. Number two, government is essential for successful management. तो आंसर आएगा इफ़ देयर इज़ गवर्नमेंट इन्फोर्स पीपल will follow the rules framed by the government. Otherwise, it would create anarchy all around, and deeds of public welfare cannot be carried out. Only government could make laws. Administration functions can be carried out successfully. Therefore, for the successful administration of a nation, government is essential. लास्ट है और इसके बाद आंसर द फॉलोइंग को ब्रीफली मैं बाद में करवाऊंगी. ये लास्ट आपका रीज़न है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैज़ मेड इंडिया अ यूनियन स्टेट. आंसर आएगा द मेकर्स ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैव टेकन इनफ केयर टू डिसेंट्रलाइज द पावर एंड टू मेक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन प्रो पीपल द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ पीपल. स्टेट हैंडल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन independently, but if there is some dispute, union government has got special right to interfere in it. Thus, union government is supreme in the periods of disaster. The central government takes up administration instead. Therefore, India is made a union state. We all are citizens नॉट ऑफ स्टेट बट ऑफ यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया। ये आपके रीज़न हो गए। अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसके ब्रीफली आंसर लगाऊंगी। ये क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है और आपको लर्न भी करना है। थैंक यू।